Most AI tools either give creative answers or accurate answers, but rarely both together. But Gemini 3.1 Pro combined with Notebook LM actually gives you both. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and in this video we will talk about Gemini Notebook LM and I will explain everything step by step. Plus, I will show a live demo so you can clearly see how it works. So let's get started. Gemini 3.1 Pro is Google's advanced AI model. It can understand text, images, audio, video, and documents, help with planning and research, generate ideas and explanations. Search the internet for latest information. It's smart, creative and very helpful, but there is one limitation. It doesn't naturally remember your personal research or notes unless you keep uploading them, and that's where Notebook LM helps. Notebook LM is basically your AI research notebook. You can upload PDFs, notes, articles, research papers, reports, links, study materials, or any important documents to it. Then you can chat with that information too. And the best thing, it gives citations, so you always know where the answer came from. That means fewer mistakes and more reliable answers. But Notebook LM also has some limits. It doesn't search the internet. It's not very creative and it's not great for long planning tasks. So separately, both tools are powerful but incomplete. But together, they become much more stronger. So now let me show you a simple example of it. Here I already created a notebook. Example scenario is a student preparing for exams. I uploaded lecture notes, PDFs, research articles, study summaries. Now I asked Notebook LM, what are the key topics from these notes? You can clearly see the answers based only on my uploaded material. That make it reliable. But now I ask any recent updates or new research on these topics. Notebook LM can't search the web, so it only gives old information. Now let's switch to Gemini. I attached this notebook as a source. Now I'll ask, explain these topics simply and include any latest developments. Now Gemini is using my notebook data and searching current internet information. So I get some updated knowledge plus my own notes combined. That's the real power of this integration. Notebook LM is excellent for research and summaries, but Gemini is better when you need ideas, planning help, content writing, simple explanations, brainstorming. For example, you can ask, create a study plan. Explain this topic simply, suggest revision questions, help me understand difficult concepts. And response usually sound more natural. Another powerful feature in Gemini called Gems. Think of Gems as personal AI assistant. For example, study assistant, research helper, writing assistant, business strategy assistant. When you connect a gem to Notebook LM, you don't need to upload files again. Context is already there. And when you add a new notes, the assistant automatically updates. So your AI actually gets smarter over time. This setup can help many people like students for studying and revision, researchers for analyzing papers, writers for editing and research, businesses for insights and strategy, and professionals for knowledge management. The idea is simple. Notebook LM stores your knowledge. Gemini thinks, creates, and updates using that knowledge. Together, they save time and improve accuracy. So here's why this integration matters. More accurate AI answers, latest information included, better creativity, less repeated uploading, personalized AI help. Basically, AI becomes more practical. So that's Gemini 3.1 Pro with Notebook LM. Simple, powerful, and honestly very useful. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Get Assist, and comment if you want a full tutorial on it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.